Hi everyone, in today's video I'm about to do a gumball machine ornament. I'm using a plastic cup, red paint, you need a brush, you need some candies. I purchased those candies from the Dollar Tree, everything mostly from the Dollar Tree. You will need a glue gun, and you also need a big clear ornament. And first I am painting the cup in red. Normally you don't need to do that if you have a red cup already. Since I did not have a red cup, so I had the paint and I had the cup, so I decided to paint the cup in red. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see all the videos that I will be uploading to the channel. And after you click the subscribe button, make sure to click the bell notification. That's the only way for you to receive all the notification from me about my videos. And guys, tell me what you're doing for Christmas this year. Are you doing any DIY project? Well, if not, leave me a comment and let me know exactly what you'll be doing for this Christmas. I removed the top part of the ornament so I can paint it in red like I paint a cup. I'm going to let you watch the video, guys. Happy holiday. Keep watching until the end so you can see how cute it will come out.